So what is exactly linkage maps? Now you all know about the Morgan's experiments which Morgan performed, and Morgan identified there was a relationship between how close or how far two genes are and how often they undergo a process called crossing over. So you all must remember that if this is the chromosome and say for example two genes are very close to each other, then the percentage of recombination will be very less. And if there are two genes on the same chromosome that are present very far away from each other, so here they are near to each other, they are closer to each other. In this case, they are far away from each other. And when two genes that are far away from each other, the percentage of recombination in the F2 generation of a cross will be comparatively higher than in the case of the first case. If you all remember an example for a case where two genes were present very close to each other was, say for example, a gene that was controlling the body color of yellow and a gene that controls the eye color of white. And this was dealt with in Morgan's cross A. He encountered such a phenomenon in his cross A. And what about when two genes are present very far away from each other? Say, for example, a gene that is controlling white eyes and the gene that is responsible for very small wings, that is miniature wings. So please remember, if two genes are very close to each other, their percentage or frequency of recombination or crossing over will be less. If two genes are far away from each other, their frequency or percentage of crossing over will be comparatively higher. Using the percentage of recombination, Alfred Stewart Evans, who was a student of Morgan, he converted the percentage of recombination into a unit of distance and he called it as linkage map unit, or it is also called centimorgan. CM refers to centimorgan, or it is called linkage map distance. For example, if you get a percentage of recombination frequency being 1% in the F2 generation of a cross, you will directly convert this into a unit of distance and you will say that the distance between the two genes is 1 centimorgan or 1 linkage map unit. So you simply remove the percentage sign and you tell that the recombination frequency is now in terms of unit of distance, it is 1 centimorgan. It tells us that there is only a distance of 1 centimorgan. It is enough to tell us or give us an idea that the genes are present very close to each other, or say they are present very near to each other on the same chromosome.